I hope guys you can see me. Can use this stick. So this stick, I want to show you. It will be something like this, like something of this sort. Something of that's so like I'm going to put the box in a slanting position like this, and then the stick will be holding it, and then I'm going to take a rope and tie it here, tie it on the. Hello beautiful people of the internet. So today I decided to give you another video. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a bird trap, a weaver bird, a sparrow, just any bird that you may think of. How to make a bird trap, set it up, and see like if it will catch birds or not. So I have a few things I want to show you now that are necessary for what I am about to show you. These ones are mine to eat. So you can see them. This is some maize, but it's a little bit rotten. Maize. This is sardines. It's called omena, but it's small fish, sardines. So with the sardines, many animals, many small animals like sardines. So it will the smell. Yeah. The smell will attract the. You can't smell it by the camera. Like it has a strong pungent, like I don't know, it's pungent or like just a strong smell that will attract like the animals that actually feed on it. So, so first of all, I have a box. So this box here will be the one we're going to use to set up the trap. So I don't have a cameraman today, so I hope I'm just going to put the camera like in an upper place so that you see what I'm about to do. That you see what I'm about to do. My cameraman didn't show up today, so looking for very good. Let me try my shoelace. I hope guys you can see me. Maybe there's a lot of light. If you can see me there. So we're going to use this box. We're going to use this box. Okay? First, we're going to mix. We want to mix the sardines with the maize. And then, after mixing it roughly, we're going to we put the maize on the edge, on the sardine, on the edge like this, on the edge like this. Hope you can see it. So, then we look for a place that is like, there are a lot of nests for birds. We look for a place that, like, there are a lot of nests, and we put it. But I've forgotten one thing. We also need a stick. I'll show you why I need a stick. You can use this stick. So this stick, I want to show you. It will be something like this, like something of this sort. Do something of that's also like, I'm going to put the box in a slanting position like this, and then the stick will be holding it. And then I'm going to take a rope and tie it here, tie it on the stick. Why do we tie the rope on the stick? For this purpose, so that when a bird approaches and it's eating the maize, I'll just pull the stick, and then the box will cover it. And then I would have caught a bag. So, let me keep my stuff. I've already demonstrated for you. Let me put my stuff here, and let's go set this stuff. So for the rope, I'm going to look for a plant, this wandering plant. It doesn't have to be that strong. Just going to look for a wandering plant. Look for a wandering plant here.